Tallinn. Kilometer.
1 minute. Maybe I can try.
No, actually we can chat. That's all.
No, it's very perspective.
So possible I come back to you.
Yes, I've been there for one day or one night.
Energy and I need to recover some.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I do have a free time, so I don't know. Depends on my mood. So being like more too shy to come up like this, it's strange to me. You know? The guy comes.
You implemented everything what we talked. That was really great. And without that, you couldn't pick up here. Even I showed you the right girl to approach, but if you couldn't do that, you know, you will not pick up here. So yeah, it's your job. You did work. You are great. It's my stood their ground.